Hi guys, my name is Katie, or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be texturing our Frisbee. So go ahead and just open up your scene in Maya, and then let's get started. Go ahead and click on your object and do Edit, Delete All by Type, History, just to get rid of that construction history. Then you're going to do Arnold and grab your skydome light, so we have some light in the scene. Next, go ahead and select that Frisbee, right click, and do Assign New Material. Here you'll do Shader, then AI Standard Surface. And this is going to be whatever color you want your base Frisbee to be. So I think I'll go for a blue, like that. And then go ahead and go into Face Mode. Click Q, you're going to click or hold Tab, and then you're going to select one of these faces and then double click the next to get that whole ring. And then I'm just going to be adding some stripes in. You can kind of choose where you want to add stripes in, or if you even want to, you don't have to. It's kind of like a fun detail. And then you can go ahead and just hold right click and do Assign New Material, do Shader, AI Standard Surface. And then you're going to change that to be whatever color you want that inside to be. So I'm going to make mine like a lime green. And then you can click 7 to see how your colors turned out. So that's basically about it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. But that's all for our Frisbee. So I will see you guys in our next texturing tutorial. Bye guys.